Huntington Station, NY Pressure Washing. If you're looking for professional pressure washing services in Huntington Station, New York, this video will help you evaluate experts, what separates the top pros from the rest, and what to watch out for before hiring a contractor. Benny's Property Services delivers stunning transformations. We safely remove black and green stains from your siding, roofing, patios, and decks, instantly boosting curb appeal and protecting property value in Huntington Station. Our team understands the specific challenges homes face here in Huntington Station. We tailor our pressure washing solutions to combat local weather effects, ensuring a deep, lasting clean for your property. We know the common culprits like mildew and algae thrive in our Long Island climate. Our specialized cleaning methods effectively eradicate these issues, preventing their return and preserving your home's beauty. Prompt service is a cornerstone of our commitment to you. We offer flexible scheduling around your timetable, ensuring we're there when you need us without delay, right here in Huntington Station. Your complete satisfaction drives everything we do. We stand by our work, ensuring every surface we clean meets your highest expectations, leaving your Huntington Station home sparkling. Our highly trained technicians are experts in safe and effective pressure washing. They bring precision and care to every job, transforming your property with professional results you'll love. We utilize a soft washing process, combining low pressure with a specialized cleaning solution. This method safely cleans vinyl siding, PVC fencing, and asphalt shingle roofs without causing any damage. Years of industry experience back every service we provide. Our seasoned professionals apply proven techniques and deep knowledge to tackle any cleaning challenge, big or small. Modern, state-of-the-art equipment ensures superior results. Our advanced tools, combined with our unique foaming cleaning solution, provide a deeper, more even clean that lasts longer. Enjoy a truly long-lasting clean that keeps your property looking its best. Our specialized formula targets biological growth, ensuring parasitic dirt and grime are effectively eliminated. A spotless worksite is part of our professional promise. We meticulously clean up after every job, leaving your Huntington Station property pristine just as we found it, only cleaner. Safety is paramount in every step we take. Our cleaning formula is specially designed to target grime while keeping nearby plants and landscaping completely safe, protecting your entire property. From siding to roofing, patios to fences, we offer comprehensive cleaning for every exterior surface. Restore your entire property's curb appeal with our thorough and meticulous service. Exceptional customer care defines our approach. We listen to your needs, provide personalized attention, and ensure a smooth, worry-free experience from your initial call to job completion. Clear and honest communication is central to our service. We keep you informed throughout the process, providing free quotes and clear explanations so you always know what to expect. Restore your Huntington Station property with Benny's Property Services. Tailored pressure washing safely removes black and green stains from siding, roofing, patios, fences, and decks. Boost curb appeal and protect value with our expert solutions. Restore your home's curb appeal with guaranteed workmanship. Benny's Property Services in Huntington Station, New York uses a safe, soft washing process. Low pressure and cleaning solutions gently clean vinyl, fences, and roofs without damage. Safeguard your Huntington Station property with us. We use a support system of expertise and care, including solutions mixed with a foaming additive. This ensures deeper, even cleaning on all surfaces. Contact Benny's today. Restore your Huntington Station property. Benny's Property Services uses a specialized pressure washing formula that targets biological growth and grime while keeping nearby plants safe. Get a free consultation today. Restore your Huntington Station home's curb appeal with customized pressure washing. As a licensed local company, Benny's Property Services offers free quotes, flexible scheduling around your timetable, and a no job is too small or too complex mindset. Ensure lasting property protection. Benny's Property Services in Huntington Station, New York safely removes black and green stains from siding, roofing, patios, fences, and decks, restoring curb appeal and protecting property value. Every project is unique. The customers who understand how pressure washing experts operate in Huntington Station, New York, tend to have better experiences and results. If you're looking for the right pressure washing specialist in Huntington Station, New York, Benny'sPropertyServices.com can help you based on your specific needs. Click the link below to learn more.